Hello everyone. Today we will be solving a problem from Codeforces round 294 division 2 A and B and compilation errors. So let's see what the problem is telling us. A and B are both coders and are preparing themselves for programming contest. So B loves to debug his code. At first there are n compilation errors. So each of them are represented as positive integers. So after some efforts, B manages to fix some mistakes and then another one mistake. The B knows that he has corrected two mistakes, but he cannot understand exactly what errors have disappeared. So we have to find out that what errors that B has corrected. So we have to display the errors that B has corrected. So let's see what is the input that is given to us. The first line will be containing n integers, the initial number of compilation errors. The second line will be like n separated integers, the errors compiled, the displayed for the first time. The third line will contain n minus 1 space separated integers, that will be the errors displayed at the second compilation. And the fourth line will contain n minus 2 integers, the errors displayed at the third compilation. So we have to print two numbers on a single line, the number of compilation errors that disappeared after B made the first and the second correction. So basically we have to find out the errors that B has corrected after the first and the second corrections. So let's go to the code and code it out. So let's code it out. Let's see what will be the inputs. So first line will contain an integer n. The second line will contain the n separated integers, the errors that were displayed at the first time. Then it will be n minus 1 integers, the errors displayed at the second compilation, and then again it will be n minus 2 separated integers, the error displayed at the third compilation. So let's start coding it out. So include bits / stdc++ dot h using namespace std int main. So first we'll take the number of errors int n. So then we will take the three arrays. The array 1 will be of size n. It will show the first errors. Then we'll be taking the second array, will be showing the n minus 1 errors that will take input, and then the third will take n minus 2 errors. Okay, so let's take them as an input. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus c in a of I. Similarly, if for int I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus c in b of I, it will be the second array. And now the third, for int I equals to 0, I less than n minus 2, I plus plus c in c of I. Okay, now we have to sort these arrays. Then sort a dot begin comma a dot end. Similarly, we will sort all the arrays. B dot begin comma B dot end, and this one also sort C dot begin C dot end. So basically what we have to do is we have to find out that from the first array we will compare the first and the second array. The element that will be missing from the second array, we will input that element, we will display the element as an output, because this is the error that has been corrected in during the first compilation. So let's compare it. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, because we will be taking the whole of array A and we'll compare it with array B. So if ai not equals to, at any point ai and the first array and the second array elements are different, what we will do, we will see out the element from array I, that is it is missing from array B. So this is the error that has been corrected by B. So we'll break from this loop. Okay. Similarly, when we'll be comparing the second array and the third array, we will we will go till the size, that is n minus 1 I plus plus. Okay. So if at any point the array elements of B and C are not equal, that is the element is present in B but not present in C, that we will output that element, because this is the element that has been corrected by B during the second compilation. Okay, and we'll break it from the loop. So we'll return 0. Let's take the input. Eight 1 2 3. It is 8 1 2 3. Then let's take the second input. Let's paste it, run it. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So if anyone hasn't understood it, let's dry run the code. It's very easy. You can also dry run it by yourself and you can understand it. Okay. So first of all, this first array will be, if we sort it out, it will be 1 5 7 8 1 2 3. The second array will be 1 5 7 1 2 3, and the third array will be 1 5 7. So if we carefully observe that if we compare the first and the second array, the element that is missing from the second array is 8. So we will have our output as 8, and if we compare the second array and the third array, we are seeing 123 is missing. So our output will be the 1 2 3. So these two values are the errors that has been corrected by B during the program compilation. So let's download the code and see if it is running or not. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's running absolutely fine. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.